Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to a special summer Beat the Heat gear episode of the Weekend Gear Guide. Now that we're almost halfway into the summer of the 2022 season and temperatures in some parts of the country are hitting well over 100 degrees for the next few days and likely throughout the summer, you might be looking to invest in a portable air conditioner, perhaps for summer weekends at a friend's or family member's place, or perhaps at the cottage where no AC is available. But whatever the reason is, in addition to keeping you cool, the next critical aspect in terms of comfort is how noisy the air conditioner is, which is especially important if you value a good night's sleep. So in this review, we'll be comparing the noise level of two portable air conditioners with similar BTU ratings, the LG LP1419IVSM and the LG LP1021GSB, and show you why one air conditioner is better than the other. So let's get started. The LG LP1419IVSM shown on the left retails for $699 and has a DOE rating of 10,000 BTUs and uses a dual inverter compressor with an advertised noise level rating as low as 44 decibels when in sleep mode. The LG LP1021GSB shown on the right retails for about $100 less and has the same DOE rating of 10,000 BTUs but uses a rotary compressor and has an advertised noise level rating as low as 52 decibels when in low fan mode. Although the overall size of the LG 1419 IVSM is slightly bigger, it's surprisingly about 4 pounds lighter than the LP1021GSB. The LG 1419 IVSM also uses a pre-fitted non-adhesive foam that makes it simple to install the mounting plate to your window with a good seal and also makes it easy to uninstall and store the mounting plates on the back of the unit. The LG LP1021GSB, on the other hand, uses standard adhesive foam, which is difficult and time-consuming to cleanly remove when the time comes to uninstall the AC exhaust mounting from the window during the colder season. Now let's compare the noise level for each of these two portable air conditioners on their respective highest and lowest fan mode settings. So to summarize, neither air conditioner met the advertised noise levels when measured 4 feet away. However, the LG 1419 IVSM on average is about 10 decibels less than the LG 1021GSB, which means that the LG 1419 IVSM is significantly quieter, which is especially important for a good night's sleep. This seems to show that the dual inverter compressor technology makes a significant difference in reducing noise levels compared to the traditional rotary compressor technology. And finally, based on our measurements, in order to obtain the advertised sleep mode noise level of 44 decibels on the LG 1419 IVSM, you need to sleep about 15 to 16 feet away from this air conditioner. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about this video, please leave them in the comments below. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful and informative. Click on the subscribe button to get notified of new reviews, and stay tuned for the next Weekend Gear Guide episode.